Hello friends, today is the third class of this series in which we are learning visual programming with C#. In the previous class we've learned how to create controls and we also change the properties of controls by coding. In today's class we will learn arranging controls by using dock and anchor properties, so keep watching, subscribe the channel, like this video if you are new here. So from the last class, you are able to create a form like this, but what if the user resizes the form? Although the form size is bigger, but the data on it is not. This blank area right here is looking so awkward. So what should you do in this case? You can restrict the form size that the user cannot resize it, or you can use anchor property. So let's see how to restrict the form size. So one way to restrict the form size is that copy the size of the form from this size property, Ctrl C, and paste it to the maximum size and minimum size. So now check it. Now the user cannot resize it because we restrict its size to its original size. So one other way to restrict the form size is to change this maximize box property to false. Now this maximize button user cannot use, and let's see, user cannot maximize this form because we disable this maximize button. So this is very easy method. So now you can easily restrict the form size. One other way is to use anchor property, which let the control resize itself when its container resizes. This property can take one or more of the values top, left, bottom, right in any combination. These values indicate that the control edge should remain the same distance from its corresponding edge of the container. So let's see how to use it. So this is how anchor property works. The anchor property can handle most of your arranging needs, but some combinations of anchor property are so common that C# provides another property to let you handle these situations more easily. This is the dock property. It lets you tell a control to attach itself to one of the edge of its container. For example, main heading is always on the top, so you can set its anchor property to top, left and right, but setting dock property to top is much easier. So to understand the dock property better, Let's take 5 buttons and assign each of doc property to each one so that you can easily understand how doc property works. Now assign it doc property to top, assign it to left, assign it to right, bottom and fill. So this is the doc property. When you resize the form, these buttons will also resize with the form. So that's it for the class. In the next class, we will make a simple project by using these techniques. Take care of yourself. Remember me in your prayers. Bye for now.